Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. I hope you guys will be fine. Today the weather is very sunny, so I thought why not make a nice painting. So today I will make a wonderful sky and bushes painting for you guys. If people like it, please express your opinion. Today I will teach you how to paint the sky and the bushes. For this, we will need aqua blue color. First of all, we will use aqua blue color. For the sky, mix it like this. Now we will use green color for the bushes to make thin long stalk. In the same way, then we will use black color on it, and at the same time we will use light green color. Everyone will make thin leaves the way I am making is just as easy. Some will make leaves of light shades, some will make leaves of dark shades. Then we will give shades with yellow color. Some will make small bushes, some will make tall bushes. Now we will make leaves on it like this, curved like this. In the same way, we will make leaves in all the bushes. We will make leaves in the all bushes from the line as the leaves are formed. Now we will make now we will make flowers. In it we will use yellow color for the flowers. This is how to use a brush to make a flower. Use a bad brush to make a flowers look good. We'll keep simple tap. Now we will make flowers in all the bushes as all have become flowers. Now we will make clouds in the sky. We will use titanium white color for clouds. Use white color for clouds to create clouds. We will create clouds somewhere. So now the clouds have formed. So now this painting is complete. I hope you guys will like it. Be sure to share your opinion and subscribe to my channel and also share so you can watch every new video coming. Thank you.